imagine a world where screening interviews are no longer a hassle. With InterWiz, we've made it unbelievably simple and efficient. Great hiring starts with the right questions. However, not every role requires the same approach. No rigid formats, just smarter, more relevant assessments. Let's start with the foundation. Now, imagine you're hiring for a growth marketing manager position. You want a template that perfectly fits your requirements. Let's build one from scratch together and see how effortless it can be. First, click on the blue Create Template button and choose a screening template. Add a title to your template, Growth Marketing Manager, and a relevant description. Next, select the department, in this case marketing, and specify the job title, which will be visible to candidates when they receive interview invites. The system lets you upload a detailed job description or write one from scratch. For this example, let's write a custom description and save it. Now comes the exciting part, adding assessments. Let's start with screening for job fit. This assessment is based on the job description you've provided. InterWiz automatically identifies the key skills required for the role, along with their desired proficiency levels. You can further customize the assessment by adding new skills such as email marketing, removing unnecessary ones, or adjusting the proficiency levels as needed. The system evaluates candidates dynamically, beginning with basic questions and progressively advancing to more complex ones based on their responses. Next, let's include analytical questions to test out the candidate's analytical abilities. In this assessment, questions from different categories can be used. These categories help evaluate a candidate's ability to process information, interpret data, and think critically. We can add professional competencies such as team management and relationship building. Finally, we'll add some custom questions. For example, what growth strategy do you find most effective? You can even pick pre-built custom questions from the library like, are you willing to relocate to the USA? With everything in place, we'll organize the template by moving the Professional Competency Assessment section to the top. We'll then review the setup and ensure the total duration stays under 30 minutes. Just like that, the template is ready to save and use. Head over to the Interviews tab and click on Schedule Interview. Start by uploading resumes. You can upload multiple files at once. As the resumes load, you'll see candidate details like names, emails, and CVs. You can make edits or even delete a resume if needed. Next, choose the interview type. For this example, it's a remote interview. Set the due date. Let's give candidates enough time to complete their interviews, so set it for 3 days from now. Finally, select the interview template, Growth Marketing Manager, add a contact person, and hit Send Request. Once the page reloads, you'll find the scheduled interview listed under the Requested tab. It's that quick! Here's where InterWiz really shines, reviewing candidate performance. Once a candidate completes an interview, their interview card appears in a completed state. Clicking it opens up a treasure trove of insights. Let's start by exploring the candidate's overall status. This candidate, for example, is marked as recommended. Wondering why? Let's take a look at the report and find out. First, explore the Professional Competency Assessment. The system offers a clear, easy-to-understand recommendation on the candidate's competency level. Additionally, the full transcript is available, allowing you to thoroughly analyze their responses. Next, dive into the job fit screening results. See each question, how the candidate answered, their scores, and whether they met the required rank to pass. For analytical assessments, you can quickly assess their problem-solving abilities. Custom question responses are also front and center for you to evaluate. One standout feature is the trust score. This innovative tool monitors candidate behavior during the interview, identifying signs of honesty or potential cheating. It's like having an extra pair of eyes to ensure integrity. Lastly, review the interview recording for a complete picture of the candidate's interaction. And just like that, in a few easy steps, you've gone from setting up an interview template to scheduling candidates and gaining rich insights to make informed decisions. InterWiz turns a daunting process into a smooth and seamless experience, empowering you to focus on what truly matters, finding the perfect fit for your team. Sign up today at InterWiz.ai.